we're gonna get started with our sheep brain dissection. As you can see, we have our sheep brain here. Before you start your dissection, you should put on some gloves, which I have on, and safety glasses, which you can't see, but there are my safety glasses. And then you should also get your different materials that you'll need for the dissection. So a magnifying glass, a dissecting probe, dissecting scissors, and a scalpel. So those are the different things that we'll be using throughout this dissection. And then you'll also be given a dissection mat, which we went over some of that previously here. So you can use that as a reference. And obviously you have your dissection tray and your brain sample. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to remove anything from the brain that is not brain tissue. Okay, so when we get these brains, you'll see they have still the connective tissue membranes, the meninges attached. So we'll need to remove all of this. They still have some fat and other connective tissue that we'll need to cut off and remove. So we'll go through doing that. The easiest thing to probably use would be scissors and possibly your scalpel. So I'll go through here and remove some of this fat. You want to be careful not to cut any of the brain tissue away, just the extra structures that we don't need to look at today. And there's even a little bit, I have a little bit of bone here as well that's still on. So I got that cut away, some. Cut this large one off on this side. And gently I'll just start cutting away this connective tissue. It's a little slippery. You know, I'm going to sort of peel it off as you go. And it'll kind of come off. Just be careful at the back with the cerebellum. You don't want to pull off the cerebellum and the brain stem. Let's see if I can get this here. And there we go. So there's again a lot of those meninges, connective tissue, even some blood vessels, different things in there. So we can set that all to the side. And then here we have our brain.